Let's start our chapter. This is our second chapter about singular and plural noun. So, in this chapter, yes, this is the chapter about singular and plural noun. So, read this and we will study about what is singular noun and what is plural noun in this chapter. Mumbai is an important city in India. I had an apple for a breakfast today. New York and Sydney are busy cities. There are many juicy apples in the basket. The noun city and apple are singular as they refer to one place or one thing. Means city and apple are singular. They refer to one place or one thing. The noun cities and apples are plurals as they refer to more than one place or one thing. A noun is said to be singular when it names one person, one place, one animal, or one thing. It is called singular noun. Means a noun is said to be singular when its name with one person, one place, one animal, or one thing. For example, student, village, project, table. A noun is said to be plural when it names more than one person, more than one place, more than one animal, and more than one things. For example, teachers, schools, chairs, flowers. So these are the plural nouns. These are the rules how we change singular into plural nouns. Singular nouns can be changed to their plural forms. Here are the rules to be followed. Regular noun form their plural by adding s. For example, cat, cats, horse, horses, bag, bags, garden, gardens. Okay. If a singular noun ends with s, ss, sh, ch, or x, or z, we add es to the noun to make it plural. For example, bus, buses. Yes, if a singular noun ends with s, ss, sh, ch, x, or z, we add es to the noun to make it plural. For example, bus, buses, glass, glasses, bush, bushes, stitch, stitches, box, boxes, buzz, buzzes. If a noun ends in f or fe, and f is often changed to ve, and before adding the s to form plural noun, means f or fe change into ves, leaf, leaves, calf, calves. So these are the plural noun. Next, these are the exceptions. There are some exceptions to this rule. Not all nouns that end in f or fe form their plural change into f to ve. For example, believe, believes, means only s is there. Caf, caps. Cafe, cafes. Okay. If a singular noun ends in y and the letter before the y is consonant, means before the letter y is consonant and then y is changed into ies, means before the y there is consonant, then y change into ies. T is a consonant and before y it is used, so y change into ies. Cities, baby, b is consonant, so it is babies. If a singular noun ends in y and the letter before y is a vowel, then the nouns form its plural by adding as. Means before by we use only vowel word. So we add only as to make a plural. For example, ray, raise. Before I we use a. A is a vowel word. Raise, tray, trays. So a is a vowel word. If a singular noun ends in OES is added to form its plural. For example, tomato, tomatoes means ending with O. So these words changes into ES. Potato, potatoes. These are the exceptions. Not all nouns that end in O form their plurals in this manner. For example, piano, piano. Only S is used here. Photo, photos. If a singular noun ends with US, the US is changed into I and form the plural. And to make a plural form. Cactus, cacti. Slavus, slavi. So these are US. US change into I. US change into I. Okay. If a singular noun ends in IS, singular noun ends in IS, the IS change into ES to form the plural. For example, analysis, analysis. I change into E. I, analysis, analysis. So these are the word, plural. If a singular noun ends in ON, the ON is changed into A. ON is changed into A to form the plural. Phenomenon, phenomena. Phenomena is a plural word. Phenomenon, ON change into A. Some nouns remain unchanged even in their plural form. Means they are same as singular and plural, both in the same. Ship, sheep, sheep, aircraft, aircraft. So this is singular, this is plural, this is singular and this is plural. So both are same. There are some irregular nouns which do not have any rules for forming their plurals. Means they do not follow any type of rules to make a plural. For example, man, man, child, children, mouse, mice. So these are the words which make a word into plural form, into plural